So this morning, we woke up early. We're packing all our bags up. We are going to Almeida, to where the boat is. The boat was supposed to be in Emery Cove, but last night, after we did the offshore delivery and after we did everything, we got stuck out there for a couple minutes waiting for the insurance to bind to the boat, if I'm saying that correctly. By the time we got to the channel markers for Emery Cove, the tide was too low. We tried to get in. We couldn't get in. We turned around. We tied up Almeida. Tied up on their pump out station dock. And we got to be out of there by 11 today. So we are going to head to Almeida. We're going to stop by the grocery store. We're going to pick up some cleaning supplies. We're going to go pump out the boat. We're going to start cleaning the boat. And then when the tide comes up around 11, we're going to cast off at 10. Try to hit Emery Cove channel markers by 11, which is high tide. It's all my snooze buttons. And that should get us in there. And we're going to tie up, and then we're going to tie up, and we're going to sleep on the boat tonight. We're going to get all our linens and towels and blankets and plates and forks and everything that we need, and we're going to start sleeping on the boat. Right now we're just kind of enjoying breakfast and slowly waking up. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
What are you doing? Tell us.
We got a Cruise One Jennifer.
What is this mess?
This is a locker that we never even knew existed.
You can feed how many people in there?
I don't know. I'll tell you when I get to the bottom.
But we know 2 spinnakers were in there.
2 spinnakers.
Brand new.
In socks.
Yeah.
We have, this has got to be another anchor line, I think.
We got a huge ass line.
There's more.
There's more.
You climb down in here. Oh, shit. That's a sail bag. This must be their sail handling gloves. That's fine. Spinnakers. You get out of hand real quick.
What else can you find in there?
There's another fender. I think they shove it up there so that nothing gets stuck up underneath here. So, this is the windlass remote, and this is the holding tank. But you can see right down here, this vent is pink. So that might be where the nasty smell is coming from.
Oh, because it's bent?
Well, if you, here, give me it.
Yeah.
You can show. It's super bent. Right. So that might be, watch this thing just like, and then I'm like, that kid from, fuck, what was that movie?
I have no idea, baby.
It took place in India. They went on the game show, and they jumped down the porta potty to get the,
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Life of Pi?
Huh?
Life of Pi?
No, that was another Indian movie. That was a really good movie though. Both of them were Really good movie.
Okay, I got that.
That's a good old Trader Joe's style.
We're cleaning our toilets in style.
Yeah. They're, this boat's been decently taken care of. However, not live aboard taken care of. So, we are dealing with a slight bit of a stinky head situation. So, we're going to solve that. It's number one on the priority list. Oh my. So what do? What are we supposed to do? Wash some vinegar through. Mm-hmm. Then we pour the oil in there, let it sit for a while, pump the oil through the system, and then let it sit. So let's start with the vinegar first.
Do you want me to do?
So both of the heads, we're replacing the pumps. We replaced the pump on the earlier one because we had a new one that we bought at West Marine. And then while we were unpacking the boat, we found another new one. So this head's going to get a new pump also. Before we were just going to use the old one from the forward head. But this is going to get a new pump. Both of these seacocks were bolted in the open position, so that's not good. So this has been pumping out straight into the ocean, but we haven't really used it because the pumper on it's broken anyways. So we haven't been using it. So I fixed the seacocks. That looks like a new sanitation hose. But the problem is, since that's all olive oil and vinegar, but since the pumper's not working, it hasn't been pumping it all the way through. So what's going to happen is I'm going to probably end up taking this tube off, and all of that's going to drain down into here, which is just olive oil and vinegar. But that's why I have my bucket of hot water.
Well, hopefully it's only olive oil and vinegar.
What do you mean hopefully? It is. I'm going to trust and believe that that's all it is. Because that's what we put in there, and we've pumped it enough times that even with the shitty pumper, with the valve not sealing, it pushed it all through. So that's my faith. But other from that, I'm going to run the sump pump down here. And then the sump pump is this one right here. And it's open. So that. It'll pump it through. And then all this has to get cleaned. Because this is nasty.
Well, if you can clean the bulk, I'll clean.
Yep, I'll do the nasty stuff. And then if you want to do the finishing stuff, like, we got to figure out something for that. Maybe we'll build we'll see how good this fire extinguisher is. It's still charged. Maybe we'll just build a bag for it or put it in a bag or something.
Is that a normal size for
That's an enormous fire extinguisher. We got a couple. We got one there.
Is it new?
I mean, it's charged. It's good. But we'll figure that out. But it's kind of a...
So we're good on extinguishers.
We're good on extinguishers. As the day progressed, we dug more into the boat and deep cleaned all the mold and standing water. A boat that is 20 years old is the equivalent to a house that is 50. You're going to find problems and issues from previous owners and age.
All right, Rob is about to go up the mast to fix the... What type of light?
It's the steaming head masthead light.
Steaming head, yeah. It's broken, it's hanging, it could fall at any moment.
It's not that dramatic.
Okay, coming up. Okay, keep going.
Yeah, I gotta get up to this. We put up the lines to fly our courtesy flags. And I cut the masthead light off because it was broken. So
Where is it broken?
See this right here? This was the clip. You see the two side? They were on like this and held it on, but it's gone. Trash. Finito.
So we gotta buy a new one.
We gotta get a new one, yeah. It works,
Yeah.
but it's just completely corroded and broken.
Is it original?
I would guess probably yes. But yep. Thanks for not dropping me.
You're welcome. Yeah, it was kind of nerve-wracking, but I think I got it.
Yeah, you got it. You're gonna do nerve-wracking stuff. It's the way it is.
Thank you for watching. Join us on the next episode as we learn more about the boat, get out in the bay, and sail around Alcatraz.